Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A31. So there are two ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons, with the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for the same time, just for short, and you will have a screenshot, and after you will see your preview, you can edit the picture or you can share it directly by WhatsApp, Messenger and so on. So one more time, the power button and then the volume down button, just for short, for the same time, and you will have a screenshot. So if I tap now here on the editing symbol, then you can crop maybe a part. If you want to have a picture from a website or something like this, no? You can draw something inside or write something inside. No? And then after you can share this edited part also directly by WhatsApp, Messenger and so on, or save it to your gallery. Yeah, there's a second way to take a screenshot as well, with the edge of your palm. If you swipe it across the screen, you will have a screenshot. One more time, the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you will have a screenshot as well. This requires a bit training, but it's a very nice feature to have a screenshot. It is normally basically in the settings already. If you buy a phone, if it doesn't work, you should check it. So just scroll down here to go to the settings now. Let's tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And then we will need the point Motion and Gestures. And then we will need here that palm swipe to capture. That has to be enabled. And if you want to have a look how it works again, just tap on it and you will see how it works. That point has to be enabled, but as I told you, it is normally part of the default settings. Yeah, where to find your screenshots? At the gallery, of course, here they are. And at the category albums, what is very nice, the screenshots have their own folder. So you have just a folder for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.